Ever wondered how much cash you can actually pull out of your Stashaway investments when you need it? You know, for that dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or maybe just a rainy day fund. Well, today we're diving deep into Stashaway withdrawal limits and figuring out how flexible your money really is. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's be real. Stashaway is designed for long-term investing. It's about growing your wealth over time, not necessarily for quick, frequent withdrawals. But life happens, right? Unexpected expenses pop up, and sometimes you need access to your funds. So, let's explore how Stashaway handles these situations. Stashaway offers a couple of ways to get your money back. The most common is a direct bank transfer. You simply initiate a withdrawal within the Stashaway app, and the funds are typically transferred to your linked bank account within a few business days. For faster access, you might consider a fast withdrawal. This usually involves a slightly higher fee, but your money can reach your account much quicker. And finally, for some plans, you might have the option of systematic withdrawals. This allows you to automatically withdraw a fixed amount at regular intervals, which can be helpful for setting up a steady income stream during retirement. Now, the big question, how much can you actually withdraw? Well, it depends. Flex plans, these offer the most flexibility. You can generally withdraw any amount, anytime. Retirement plans, these are more restrictive as they're designed for long-term goals. Withdrawals before retirement age might be subject to penalties or taxes. Goal-based plans, the withdrawal rules vary depending on the specific goal. For example, a house down payment plan might have restrictions on early withdrawals to ensure you stay on track. It's crucial to review the withdrawal policy for your specific Stashaway plan. This document outlines all the rules and regulations, including any fees, processing times, and limitations. Remember, frequent withdrawals can impact your investment returns. Each withdrawal can disrupt the compounding effect, which is a key driver of long-term growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more investing tips and tricks.